Plotting a 2D heat map. Using matplotlib, I want to plot a 2D heat map. My data is an n by n numpy array, each with a value between 0 and 1. So for the I, j element of this array, I want to plot a square at the I, j coordinate in my heat map, whose color is proportional to the element's value in the array. How can I do this?
The inshow function with parameters interpolation equals nearest and map equals hot should do what you want. Please review the interpolation parameter details, and see interpolations for inshow and image anti-aliasing.
Seaborn is a high-level API for matplotlib, which takes care of a lot of the manual work. Seaborn.heatmap automatically plots a gradient at the side of the chart, etc. You can even plot upper, lower left, right triangles of square matrices. For example, a correlation matrix, which is square and is symmetric, so plotting all values would be redundant.
I would use matplotlib's color/color mesh function since it allows non-uniform spacing of the data. Example taken from matplotlib.
For a 2D NumPy array, simply use inshow may help you. This code produces a continuous heat map. You can choose another built-in color map from here.